So we are a bowl of soup, and this is our learning journey video. So our idea initially was we would have a children's book series of diverse kids, because we know that's lacking in most libraries and schools. We just weren't sure where we really wanted to go with that. But then as we kept ideating, we decided that we would have a survey, and with that survey we got the highest voted for category was people wanted to see physically disabled kids in stories. So we took that and we decided we would try and do something with that in children's books.
Go.
As individuals, we learned a lot from this project. We brought a lot of experiences of our own and different passions about this idea, and that made it really easy for us to really get into this topic. We worked really well as a group together, and we all genuinely really liked each other, which made it more fun and easy to get along and really get this project going. And that really showed through our final product, because we really put a lot of thought into it, and we're doing this for the right reasons and trying very hard not to make it come off in a way that wasn't sincere.
Go.
Our first pivot came from talking to other groups about our project. They helped us realize that we couldn't write the stories ourselves because that would be appropriating other people's experiences, and we haven't had those experiences ourselves, so we couldn't write those stories for them. And that's when we decided to have Gabby write our prototype book, because she's Arab American, so she had that experience, personal experience herself. And then the BICs were really helpful for us. They helped us organize our pivots and figure out when the pivot happened and where we wanted to go from our previous idea. And so yeah, those were helpful.
So probably our biggest pivot came really close to the end of our project, which was really inconvenient timing, where we realized through feedback and after I went home over Thanksgiving break and presented our prototype, read the book to a group of preschoolers and discussed it with some of my coworkers and preschool teachers, that our idea wasn't totally unique, which we knew going into it, but that there was another way we could present more of an impact, and that was if we were to, as opposed to being the main authors ourselves, more establishing ourselves as a platform for authors to tell their stories and share their experiences. And we could also do some networking as far as connecting authors and illustrators and allowing them to create books and maybe produce under our label. We believe we have achieved exemplary competence through our work in this project. We learned a lot from failure, and we learned a lot of uncomfortable lessons, whether it was learning about the risks of whitewashing stories or appropriating and going too far and trying to tell stories that we don't have a lot of related experience with and don't know enough about. And we really believe that through our work in this project, we have set the standard for this venture project. What kind of nut chases you?
A walnut. Pecan.
Cashew.
Oh.
I'm gonna cashew.